welcome you all to this event of computerized draw of lots for EWS DG category admissions. Draw of lots shall be conducted against 28,000 seats available. The online applications were invited as according to the different distance ranges, and the two basic things, the distance range and the priority of the applicant, shall be the criteria for the allotment. The applicants as well as the schools shall be able to see the results online. The system has been initiated with the objective of making these admissions fair, transparent and just. With this online admission process, we further intended to reduce the time and efforts both on the part of the parents as well as on the part of the schools. In this lottery process, 647 schools are participating. Total registration means total applications received is 36,377 and total vacancies across these schools for the nursery class is 15,759. The second row would be changing, numbers would be changing, and the first row would be fixed numbers, which is a total set on which we are conducting the lottery for a particular class. Down below, the registration numbers and allotted school IDs are changing.
Today is historical day for all of us. EWS admissions under RTE has been going on in private schools since the year 2011-12. All private schools were receiving the EWS application at their own end. They process the application, they scrutinize the application. Then from the Directorate of Education, we send an observer who observes your entire lottery process. We were receiving certain complaints about certain malpractices, sometimes at the school end and sometimes at the individual end. Now in less than 10 minutes, we will have the lottery drawn for the entire Delhi. Isn't it a miracle?
This leads to transparency, efficiency and efficacy of the Director of Education. It's a humongous task on the part of Director of Education. I really congratulate our Director of Education. Parents have higher sense of satisfaction.
So we have completed the lottery process for one class. The results are, the summary of the results is here. The school which participated is 647 and allotted are 646. One school did not get any allotment. In the vacancies, 621 vacancies are remaining because there were not enough applicants for those particular schools and allotment is as per the preference. Now we will be conducting the same process for the KG. So here total number of schools participating are 188. Total applications are 20,892. Total vacancies available are 3,499 and the second row is changing, which is the process of the lottery. The summary of the result is visible. Out of all 188 schools, all schools have got some students. Total applicants who have been allotted school are 3,432 and 67 vacancies are remaining due to the same reason which I explained. So now we will be conducting the same procedure for class 1 in the schools where the class 1 vacancies are available.
I think it is a moment of enjoyment and celebration to really see that we have got digitalized at the state level. I think all of you will agree that it has been a painful process despite a lot of care, attention we may have paid. And today we stand here relieved out of all that pain and to see the results come out in one click of a button. The parents, I'm sure, are going to feel quite comfortable because at least they would feel that the justice has been met. I think it is a moment which all schools need to celebrate.
Historic moment for all of us, and I really congratulate the entire education team, and I do hope that today we can make a difference in the life of each and every student and each and every school.
कितना इजी बना दिया इसने हमारे लिए भी, पेरेंट्स के लिए भी, स्कूल अथॉरिटीज के लिए भी, कि जिस पेरेंट को 10 स्कूल में भी एजुकेशन देना है उसके लिए 10 दिन तो आप मान के चलिए कम से कम जाना पड़ेगा उसको वहां पे। और आज 1 घंटे के अंदर उसकी सारी एप्लीकेशन अप्लाई हो गई और वो आराम से बैठा है। ऑनलाइन हमने करके एक बड़ी उपलब्धि मुझे लगता है एजुकेशन डिपार्टमेंट की रही है। वास्तव में एक बहुत बड़ी चीज आज सब लोगों के साथ हुई है।
I thank the entire technical team for designing and implementing this online system.